Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is your love reading. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the ascendant. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Librans. So on your side we have the Six of Pentacles. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Ace of Swords. Okay. The most likely outcome is the Six of Swords. Okay. So Librans, you are trying to balance something by equal give and take. As far as your person is concerned, with the Ace of Swords, they've had a new beginning. We'll see what that is. The most likely outcome is the Six of Swords. So somebody is moving away in search of peace. Okay. Leaving the situation and choosing peace. So let's see, what is the Six of Pentacles about? So for the Six of Pentacles, we have the Three of Cups, is the Emperor, and the Chariot. Let's see what is this Ace of Swords as far as your person is concerned on your personal side for the Ace of Swords. So for the Ace of Swords, we have the Page of Pentacles, we have the Ace of Wands. Wow, three aces, and the Ace of Cups. Okay. Let's see, for the most likely outcome, we have the Six of Swords. What is the Six of Swords? So for the Six of Swords, we have the Knight of Cups, the Ace of Swords, all the four aces, and the Strength. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, Librans, with the Three of Cups, the Emperor, and the Chariot, somehow what I feel is you want to reconcile, you want to balance a situation, and the balance you want to restore is that you want some sort of a reconciliation with someone. That's what I feel. You want to be you want to work as a team with them either, or you want to be with them, you want to spend quality time with them, you want to be friends with them or something. Whatever with it is, you want to that is the balance which you are wanting to restore, and it is talking about reconciliation. And then with the Emperor and the Chariot, so definitely you feel things are under control. Maybe you are using whatever strategy you need, the whatever plan you need, whatever way you need, so that things get rolling. And you want, basically the thing is that you want this reconciliation, you want to restore that balance, and you feel that you are in a position to do so. You have that I should say you have that power and the confidence that you know you can get things rolling once again, and you will be able to restore that balance with the Chariot, and you will be able to sort of I should say, I mean, you feel confident that no, I can do it. I will be able to reconcile with this person, and I will be able to take charge of this relationship once again, and I will be able to, and things will get rolling fast, pick up pace very fast once again. So you know that I can do it. I have the power and the potential to reconcile and make things move forward and progress. I mean, you feel confident that I can do it. It's the overall thing. Okay, and the balance is you want a reconciliation here. As far as your person is concerned, for the Ace of Swords, we have the Page of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, and the Ace of Cups. So this person has definitely had a new beginning here, and maybe this new beginning is a slow one. It's a slow beginning. It's a slow beginning, a step towards a new beginning, definitely. Or maybe they have new beginnings in many spheres. I don't know, but definitely there is a new beginning on this person's part. Okay, maybe they are taking small steps towards a new beginning. So they have the passion, they have emotions, they have the clarity. So this person is totally talking about new beginnings here. For the Six of Swords as the most likely outcome, we have the Knight of Cups, the Ace of Swords again, the Strength. So these three cards talk about definitely this person has the clarity. This person, it's like definitely there is a feeling of moving away from tensions and towards peace. Okay, and this thing is clear to both of you, I should say. So with the Knight of Cups, somebody seems to be open to love once again, and then there is a new beginning here. And the thing is that maybe this new beginning, because we have the Strength here, so maybe this opening up, whosoever has to open up and show up in love, this person, maybe this person will show up, and but the thing is they need that strength and the courage to do so. Okay, but they know that they have to do it. It's coming off like that. Okay, so I think this is the person, because this is a person who is wanting to restore the balance. So maybe they have the clarity that if you want peace in this situation, then you need to show up lovingly, and that is what they are restoring the courage to do so. Because following it, we have the Eight of Wands and the Star. So I think this balance, peace will be restored perhaps once they are able to show up, once they develop that much of courage to talk about it. With the Eight of Wands and the Stars, wishes will be fulfilled. There is a lot of hope and there is a lot of healing over here. Once this person is able to gather enough courage to talk about this new beginning, so that the peace, so this person has to make a, somebody here has to take action of opening up emotionally. Number 13 may be of some significance for you. Miracles and blessings. Everything has its gifts. So whatever has happened, because the reason because of which you parted. I'm saying parted because we already have the reconciliation card over here. So maybe that taught you some lesson, and whatever has happened, and maybe it has a lesson, and now just expect the miracles and the blessings. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.